What were some of the major challenges you faced when learning about Forex trading? And how did you solve it? Let's hear the answers from these traders.
Common misconceptions that beginners often have about Forex trading. That trading is an easy way to become a millionaire. You just need to know how to read chart patterns and candlesticks. Well, that is not enough. Trading is not an easy way to become a millionaire. You need a lot of time to practice and be disciplined. So you need to not only understand technical analysis, yes, understanding your chart patterns and candlesticks, price action techniques, you also need to understand fundamental analysis. What drives the movement of financial assets? How to analyze and interpret economic data. And you also need to be able to control your emotions well and manage your risks when trading. And this part is very important, and it is where a lot of traders fail because they do not manage their risks well. Another common misconception is that the more often you trade, the more money you can make. Now, this can be a form of overtrading, which can hurt your trading account, because if you just rush to take trades for the sake of taking a trade because you feel like I need to trade in order to make money, then you may end up taking a lot of trades which do not have attractive reward to risk ratios. And instead of waiting for price to come to you to an optimal price level for a high probability trading setup, you end up just rushing your trade before price reaches a good area for your entry. So do not overtrade. Some successful traders, they only trade maybe once per day, and some do not even trade every day, and they still end up being profitable. So don't feel like you have to trade all the time in order to make money.
Hello everyone, my name is Johnny Jiga, CEO and founder of Jayfx House, popularly known as Jayfx. Some of the misconceptions that traders normally face during their trading time is that they get to misunderstand the meaning of technical analysis and understanding markets. You know, they feel like technical analysis is everything, and once you've done your technical analysis, that is all. But I was able to understand that market is not just all about candlesticks. There are some other things you need to put together to be able to understand the movement of the market each and every day. So these are sections, fundamentals, sentimentals, and all of that, you know. So I was able to get a simplified method of doing all this when I went into SMC, and SMC helped me to put together a set of rules and system that helped me understand these concepts together to form a strategy, and that was how I was able to bypass my own problems.
What were the biggest misconceptions I had when I come to trading with Forex as a beginner? Same, I had no idea how huge this market is, how were the participants in this big market. And I solved this problem with a deep understanding based on teachings of my mentors. And I thought I can teach myself in Forex trading, but I could not. I solved this problem when I found my mentors, and they taught me how to have a strategy and how to stick to the rules and to my strategy all the time. This is the only way how you can make money with Forex trading.
Hello folks, good day to you. My name is Saif. I'm a coach and speaker in TradingLive. My experience in Forex trading over 14 years. I manage big account portfolio. I remember myself when I was beginner, I start to learn about Forex, and I start to read, and I start to execute some trades in demo accounts. I start to make a little bit money, then I transfer to new account, live account. Then I was thinking to become rich in few months, which is actually wrong. You have to change your expectation about Forex trading. You will never be rich in few days or few months. It's a process, and it needs time, and it's a journey. You need to learn and apply and review, and you keep getting better every day to reach to your goal. All right guys, thank you.